In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach documents, images, or any supporting files to a task so your team has everything they need in one place. Start by opening the task you want to work with. In your project, find the task name and click it so the details pane opens on the right. This is where all the key information lives: the description, assignees, due dates, and of course, attachments. If you don't see the details pane, make sure you actually clicked the task name, not just the checkbox. At the top of the task details, look for the paperclip icon, which represents attachments. It's usually near the task title and other action icons. Click that paperclip to bring up your attachment options. This is Asana's way of letting you pick where your file is coming from. You'll often see choices like attaching from your computer or connecting from cloud services. For now, we'll stick to your computer since that's the simplest and most direct method. Choose your computer from the menu. This opens your file explorer so you can navigate to the exact document, image, PDF, slide deck, or other file you want to share. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right version and consider using a clear, descriptive file name so teammates can recognize it at a glance. Asana supports most common file types, and if your file is especially large, it may be more efficient to store it in your cloud drive and attach it from there, but uploading from your computer works great for everyday files. Select your file, then click Open. You'll see Asana begin attaching it to the task. Depending on your internet connection and the file size, this may take a moment. Once it's attached, the file will appear in the task's attachments area with a thumbnail or file icon. You can click it to preview, and your teammates will be able to view or download it directly from the task, keeping all related work and reference materials together. If you don't see the paperclip or can't attach, you may not have the right project permissions, or your network might be blocking uploads. Refreshing the page or checking with your admin can resolve most issues. And if you accidentally attach the wrong file, you can remove it and repeat the same upload process. That's it. Open the task, click the paperclip, choose your computer, select your file, and click Open. You now know how to upload files to Asana quickly and confidently.